Dr. Levine, what do you think about the boarding schools in Xizang?
The parents and the children, they want to become educated, to be able to get good jobs, to have opportunities, to make an important place for themselves in modern society. But it means they have to live apart from their parents. So I saw this most clearly in Machu when I was doing the research in Machu. Sometimes the parents would send one old relative to stay with the children to make sure that the children were okay. Because children sometimes can be naughty, and you send them to boarding school, they just play. So the parents would watch the children. The parents so invested in getting their children educated so that they have a fair shake of getting good jobs, because without a proper education, they're always disadvantaged. They're so grateful to get educated. Many Tibetans are very ambitious about getting their children properly educated. So they really like to send their children to good boarding schools.
I have been several county of Tibet areas for study the boarding school. So I see many, not just Tibetan, Niso, ethnic minority Niso, the parents of these children want school get the best education, finally get a job. That's important for them. Because if they live there, they take just a yacht or maybe sheep, never education. In future, you couldn't get a job. The problem is you should pay something for school. So in China, what the government did is very, very nice, particularly in Tibet, Xizang. They have a policy called 3 guarantee for boarding school. That means government give you food and living and everything. You just send your children to school. Because the nomad area, many people don't know. In Tibet, nomad area is so large place and so far away. To village to downtown, 1 day, 3 days. If you want to make quality and good education, you must get together and invite very best teacher, teach them, so they can get very good knowledge, easy to get school or university, maybe job. So that's very important. It's no any country like this government gives so much money for this 3 guarantee, like in Xizang. Now today I see several the leader graduated from such kind of school.
Yes.
So I think outside some people don't know the situation of nomad area. It's the same with me. When I very small, from first school to middle school, completely get grant from the government. If 1 year, half year, no grant, I should leave school.
Yeah.
Because we are village, no cash or no money to pay for the school. But the government giving me a grant. So I really very like this boarding school when I grew up.
抖音